Friends, welcome to General Study Forum. In the previous video, we have discussed the first 25 questions of General Studies, Paper 2 of Odisha Administrative Service Preliminary 2021. In today's video, we will discuss the rest of the question 26 to 50. Let's start with the first question. If Vaishali can paint a house in 4 hours and Karan can paint the same house in 6 hours, then how long it will take for both of them to paint the house? So if Vaishali paints in 4 hours, then in 1 hour she will paint 1/4 of the total painting. If Karan paints in 6 hours, then in 1 hour he will paint 1/6 of the total paint. If they will paint together in 1 hour, they will paint 1/4 plus 1/6. So please we can add now, which is 5/12. In 1 hour they will paint 5/12. So if in 1 hour they together paint 5/12 of the total paint, then the total paint will be done in by 12/5 hour, which is 2 hour 24 minutes. So the answer is A, that is 2 hour 24 minutes. Question number 27. So now solve the following questions. A is to 2a/3, then 24/5. So A के साथ 2/3 मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. Similarly we multiply 24/5 into 2/3, which is 3.2, and in the option there is nothing, no one is the correct one. Now question number 28. If Arushi is 6 years older than Inaya and Vishnu is 5 years older than Inaya and the total age is 41, how old is Inaya? Let's take Inaya's age is x, Arushi's age is x plus 6 and Vishnu is age is x plus 5. Then we add together, which is 3x plus 11 is equal to 41, and let's solve it. X is then 10, which is the age of Inaya. So the answer is B. Which one of the following numbers is neither prime nor composite? The answer is A1, which is neither prime nor composite. Now question number 30. Which one of the following numbers is the smallest composite number? The correct answer is 4, because the other, let's take a look at the other options. The option A, 2 is which is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number. 6 is a composite number, but it is larger than 4. Now question number 31. If selling price is double, the profit triples. Find the profit percentage. So let's take the cost is y, profit is x, so the selling price becomes y plus x. So if we double the selling price, we multiply 2 into y plus x. So by doubling the selling price, the profit becomes triple. So the selling price is y plus 3x, which is 2y plus 2x. So now let's solve, which is x is equal to y. So the profit is equal to the selling the cost of the object. So the profit is 100%. So the answer is B, which is 100 is the correct answer. Question number 32. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to get 20% profit? So for 1 rupee, that is 100 paise, he got 6 toffees. So he have to sell with 20% profit. That means at 120 paise he have to sell that 6 toffees. So for 1 rupee or 100 paise, he will have to sell 6 by 120 into 100, that is 5 toffees. So the next question is 33. The ratio between the speeds of 2 trains is 7:8. If the second train runs at 400 km in 4 hours, then the speed of the first train is how much? So the ratio is 7:8. The first train speed is 7x, then the second train speed will be 8x. Second train's speed is 100 because it travels 400 km in 4 hours. So 8x is equal to 100. So x is 100 by 8 and 7x will be 87.5. So the speed is 87.5 km per hour. This is the speed of the first train, which is the answer D. Now the next question is question number 34. The distance between two places A and B is 570, and the train which starts from A, its speed is 50 km and starts at say 6 am, and the train which starts from B, its speed is 80 km and it starts at 7 am. So if the second train travels x hours, which started at 7 am, the other train which started at 6 am will travel x plus 1 hour. 1 hour more. So the distance covered by both of them will get after multiplying their speed, and the total distance covered is 570 because they approach each other. So this is the equation, and by while solving the equation we will get this one. So x is 4, which is the distance travel, which is the time traveled by train B, and which started at 7 am. So at 11 am they will meet each other. So the correct option is answer C. Now the question number 35. In covering a distance of 30 km, Rajinder takes 2 hours more than Samir. So if Rajinder doubles his speed, then he would take 1 hour less than Samir. Oh, what is the Rajender's speed? So now let's solve it. So if Rajender's speed is x, Samir's speed is y, and the distance covered is 30, then if Samir takes t hour, Rajendra will take 2 hour more, that is t plus 2. So multiply their speed, we will get that equation. So if the Rajendra's speed is double, that is 2x, then we will get this equation, and it will take 1 hour less time. So 2x into 2e minus 1 is equal to y into t, because Rajendra takes now 1 hour less. So this is the both the equation, and we have got. So now solving the equation, we will get t is equal to 4. So the time taken by Samir is 4. So Rajendra initially took 2 hour more to cover that distance. So from the initial equation we get that. So the speed of the Rajendra is 30 divided by time taken, that is 6, which get 5. Now the next question is identify the number in the series given. So from the series you can see the subsequent number in each case is the addition of the present number and its previous number. So that is n is equal to n plus n minus 1. So in the next number we will get 65 plus 64, that is 129. So the answer is B. Now the next question is find the wrong number in the series. So the series is given, you can mark that in each case the number is the addition of the present number and the next number. So n is equal to n plus 1. In the third case it should have been 23 plus 24, that is 47, but it is written 46. So it is, which is wrong. So the answer is 46, that is C. Now the next question is question number 38. Introducing a boy, a girl said, he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. How is the boy related to the girl? So to solve these questions you have to read it properly. So now you can see the girl's uncle's father's daughter. So if you mark, you can see the his uncle's father's daughter is his mother and her son is actually his brother. So the boy is related to the girl as his brother, and the correct answer is C. Now the next question is question number 39. Pointing to a photograph, Lata says, he is the son of the only son of my grandfather. How is the man in the photograph related to Lata? So you have to read it carefully. So you can see Lata's grandfather's son's son is actually his brother. So if you look deeply and carefully, this is the answer. So answer is brother. So the option B is correct. Now question number 40. Pointing to a photograph, Vajpayee said he is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. How Vajpayee is related to the man in the photograph? Now let's sort out. So Vajpayee's brother's father is actually his father, and his daughter is his sister, and his sister's son is his nephew. So the answer is nephew, and the option A is the correct answer. Now there is a direction for question number 41 to 45. Study the following paragraph and answer. The bar graph given below show the sales of books in thousand number from 6 branches of a publishing company in the year 2000 and 2001. These are the 6 branches of the company, and the first column is 2000 and second column is 2001. You can see 6 columns, 6 pairs of columns. Question number 41. What is the ratio of total sales of branch B2 for both the years to the total sales of branch B4 for both the years? Now let's calculate. For B2, the total number of sales for both the years is 65 plus 75, and for B4 it is 180. So let's take the ratio 140 is to 180, which is 7 is to 9. So the correct answer is D. Now question number 42. The total sales of branch B6 for both the years is What percent of the total sales of branches B3 for both the years? So now let's calculate the total sales for B6, which is 150, and for B3 it is 205. So B6 is what percent of B3? So let's calculate the percentage, which is 73.17. So the correct answer is C. Now question number 43, what is the average sales of all the branches in 1000 numbers for the year 2000? So now let's calculate for the year 2000 what is the total number. So this is the total number divided by 6, which is the number of branches, and the average comes out as 80. So the correct answer is B. Now question number 44, total sales of branches B1, B3 and B5 together for both the years in 1000 numbers is how much? So let's calculate for B1, B3, B5 for both the years. So by adding for both the years for these three branches, the total comes out as 560. So the correct answer is D. Question number 45, the ratio of total number of books sold in the year 2000 and in the year 2001 is how much? So first let's calculate for the year 2000. The number of books sold is 480, and for 2001 the total number of books sold is 550. So now let's take out the ratio for both the years, which is 480 by 550, which comes out as 96 by 110. So the option 1 or option A is the correct answer. Now there is a direction for question number 46 to 48. In the question, two statements follow two conclusions. Which of the conclusion follow the two given statements? So now let's come to the question of 46. The statements are, some actors are singers and all singers are dancers. There are two conclusions. A is, some actors are dancers, no singer is actor. So the conclusion A is the correct answer, because since all the singers are dancers, so some actors are singers. The question number 47, statements, some ants are parrots and all parrots are apples. So it is similar to previous question. The conclusions are, all the apples are parrots and some ants are apples. So the option B is correct. So only B conclusion follows, because since all parrots are apples, so some ants are apples. Some papers are pens, all the pencils are pens. So all the pencils are pens, but the reverse is not, may not be true, because all the pens may not be pencils. So some pens are pencils. So both the conclusions follow. So option D is correct. Both A and B follow. Now question number 49. A grocer has a sale of rupees 6435, rupees 6927, rupees 6855, rupees 7230 and rupees 6562 for 5 consecutive months. How much sale must he have in the 6th month so that he gets an average sale of 6500? So first let's take the 6th month sale as X, and let's take the average, adding all the 6 and dividing by 6. So we get this much, 34009 plus X by divided by 6 is 6500. So now equating the equation, we get X is equal to 4991. So the 6 month sale is 64991. So the answer is A is the correct answer, 4991. Question number 50. Which one of the following pairs of thinkers advocated the doctrine and practice of Sarvodaya? Among the options, the correct answer is C, that is Gandhi and Vinoba Bhave. They advocated the doctrine of Sarvodaya. Friends, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Please subscribe to this channel, which will encourage us to upload more videos and share more contents. And please contact us in our mail ID generalstudyforum@gmail.com. Thank you very much.